Welcome to this walkthrough video for how to create your first label design for printing your RFID-linked Pro tags. And to get started with that, we will go to RFIDLinked.com and sign in, and we will sign into our RFIDLinked.com dashboard. We've already imported our inventory file and defined our product columns on the application, and now we're going to set up the label on how we want it designed so we can print tags for it. We'll go straight into label designs. We will create, and we're going to create from scratch, and we will apply our label dimensions. We've got a 47 by 23. This is the dimensions of the default tags that come in the bundle. So we're going to go ahead and create label. The first thing I'll start with is uploading our logo. So I will select an image here. Next, it will convert it to black and white because it's a thermal label printer. Next, give it a name. Save it. Finish. Once I've got that logo uploaded, I'm going to click logo, click the default one, click the pencil button to edit it, and go to the logo type, your logo. We will go to our uploaded logo that we named. I'm going to lower the image size so that it fits to the label dimensions that we've got. Now you can see I can drag and drop it here anywhere. Now we are going to assign a barcode to our product, and in this case I want to hit the pencil. I want to use a QR code. It takes up less space, it's a little bit easier for barcode scanners to read, and we're going to change this value source to one of our custom fields. And the reason why is because when we do order picking within our warehouse management system, we need the barcode for the SKU so that we can scan these items onto the order. And now I will go ahead and apply, and I actually need to size this down. I always recommend printing one or two labels, test scan your barcode, make sure everything scans correctly before you go and print hundreds of them. Now I'm going to make a tag field, and I've got that here. I'm going to make this the SKU so you can see what the SKU is. So I'm going to change it, the tag source, to the custom field. I will set that to SKU, and you can adjust the font size here. I will adjust it up a little bit further. Again, if your SKUs are long, make sure that you've done a test print to ensure that the size of your SKU, the length of the SKU, and the size of the font doesn't spill over the edge. So just to be sure, I will set it all the way to the left margin of this QR code to try to make sure that if I have a longer SKU, it doesn't print off the edge of the label. I'm going to add another tag field from our inventory data here, and I will use the serial number, and I will set the font, keeping in mind the length of your serial numbers. Be sure to place it in an area on the tag where you're not going to spill over. I'm going to do another tag field here. We also would like to see from our custom fields of what we've imported the list price, and this, I know I can make it significantly larger. Here's our list price, and I will add another tag field from our custom inventory data. We will go with a make and model compatibility, and I would also like to add a part number from our inventory data. Alright, so we've got our tag with our company logo, we've got our part number, our serial number, our make and model compatibility, and I'm going to add a static field as well. So this would be the same text on every tag printed. For example, if you're a brand or a company name, I will just make up a company name, Auto Parts World, and make it larger. We'll go even larger here. So now I've got our logo, our company name, and our barcode for our warehouse management system for order picking. I've got the SKU above it so you can see what information is encoded to the barcode. List price, part number, serial number, make and model compatibility. All right, we've got that done. We're going to save the label and call it Auto Parts World Default Label. General Purpose Stock Label. And save that. And that is how you create your first label. And the next video, we are going to show you how to start printing your RFID Pro tags from this template that you just saved. Thanks so much.